Very good morning to you. I'm Professor Bhushan Machanda. I'm basically an advisor to this company, Direct Vision Group.
Good
Uh,
morning, sir.
Good morning. Is it hi Ravi? So Ravi, where are you
Hello,
located?
sir.
कहाँ पे हो आप?
Presently, I'm in Delhi. Presently, I'm
Oh,
in Delhi, sir.
okay. I am also speaking to you from Delhi. I am Professor
Okay.
Bhushan Machanda. I'm the head of Department of Management Studies of Hyderabad University, Delhi. I teach the
Okay, sir.
BBA
Sure.
students. I'm the head of department also.
Oh,
That is the placement cell also. I'm also the faculty advisor for the Rotary Club, and very happy. And the best part is that I'm not only a teacher; I'm an ex-corporate general manager. So
okay,
Ravi, I
okay,
did,
sir.
and the best part is I'm speaking to you from Delhi, from Vasant Kunj. So Ravi, आप कहाँ पे हो अभी? Where are you located now? Delhi में कौन सी जगह में हो?
Not exact Delhi, sir. I'm in Meerut, means in Delhi NCR, you can say.
अरे ठीक है यार, मेरठ तो हमारे
जी जी
पास ही है. Just
अच्छा
maybe
अच्छा ठीक
1 to 2 hours drive from Delhi.
Yes, yes,
Not far
yes,
out.
sir.
So you are basically Meerut is a hometown.
Yes, 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 sir.
So Ravi, this 4 years experience out of BTech, which company is this?
Yeah,
Where are you
sir.
working?
Right now, yeah, I'm in TCS right now.
In TCS, okay.
Yes.
Your TCS in Noida?
No, sir. Gurgaon.
TCS Gurgaon, okay.
Yeah.
So the last 4 years you have the TCS or you changed the job in
No,
between?
no, sir. In TCS only since starting.
Okay. And Ravi, what's your annual compensation package?
Yeah, it's 5.2 right now, sir.
Yeah, this is what is not gelling with me. In
Expected.
fact, this is something which is very, very, very poor. And take it from me, a person who I did my MBA from FMSDU 40 years back. 30 years I worked as a corporate manager, then ended up as a general
Okay, sir.
manager. For last 10 years, I'm a teacher. I'm a professor of management studies.
Okay, sir.
I've written a couple of books also. So primarily, what I feel, Ravi, that and I worked as an HR manager. This BTech with 4 years experience, I think
Yes, sir.
TCS, according to me, Ravi, they're exploiting you.
Yeah, okay.
You
Okay.
deserve an engineer deserve more than this.
Yes, sir.
Primarily because I worked as HR manager because the company where I'm working, in fact, we had a very clear policy that we will not underpay. We will pay the best in the industry. In fact, it was higher than the industry also. अगर industry का package अगर 3 lakh है तो we used to give 4 lakhs. It was like that. So we had
Okay.
the best of people coming to us, and the other good thing was Ravi, the attrition rate was very low. People never just wanted to leave us. They were so happy. That's what happens to if you've seen company like Maruti or company like Tata's. People normally Tata's people don't leave them, but TCS I don't know why
Yes,
they are
sir.
being so low. People do not want to leave a company like Maruti or a company like HUL. You know that, huh?
Yes, sir.
Because you're quite an intelligent person. In Maruti, the saying is the slogan is people die with their boots on. They will not leave.
Okay.
And average, I've been to the Maruti factory because I've gone on an industry visit. I've taken my students to the Maruti factory in Udyog Vihar in Gurgaon. And I've spoke to their HR manager. He says, and the best part of Maruti is an average Maruti worker, his take home salary is about 80 to 90,000 or more than that per month, incentives and
Okay,
all
sir.
that.
Okay.
So what I really feel is, Ravi, we have to really help you to get to
Good.
to leave aside this job, work, take up a very good MBA program for these 2 years, and see your placement package after 2 years. See this year, Ravi, as you would have noted from the news that you must be reading, and also the very discussion that are taking place on TV also. This year, our GDP growth is going to be negative 7 to 10% negative
Yes,
this
sir.
year.
Due to COVID situation.
COVID-19. But now, and the good thing that has happened, COVID-19, that China has been exposed. China is the creator of the virus. And a lot of now companies do not trust China at all. So the number of manufacturing bases are getting moved out of China. And they're
They will
getting to a destination like India, Vietnam, Malaysia, Indonesia, Philippines. They're moving out. And the best part
Yes,
is,
yes, yes,
you
sir.
would have noted, Ravi, in the last 2 weeks, you would have noted the news or seen or heard that the iPhone 11 has been launched in India, the
Yes,
latest.
sir. This year.
Why? Because three of the biggest contract manufacturers of iPhone they are basically from Taiwan. They have set up their factories in India. Three.
In India.
Vigitron is set up, Foxconn, and also Pegatron.
Yes, sir.
So, what I really wanted to tell you was that the scenario after 2 years when you've done your MBA would be totally different than as it is today. Samsung has set up their second big mobile phone factory in Uttar Pradesh. It is in Greater Noida. Second, they had plenty of land. The government, in fact, gave them free land also. Large number of pharmaceutical companies are moving to India. And Trump has said he's told the American companies to please set up bases in India because Trump and Modi ji are good friends also. And Modi ji has said on the 15th of August, we'll make for India and we'll make for the world also. So that's the time, you being an engineer and then also with a management degree, you're going to have a great placement. Take it from me. And take this 2 years as your upskilling time. Leave aside this job of 5 lakhs, what you're getting. It's not worth it. Get upskilled, get to a good MBA college, and this is where Direct Admission Group is going to help you. I know them for the last 3 months now. I got connected with them because 3 of my BBA students, they had the best of CAT per style. According to them, they were very good. They had 50, 60, 70. But they were not getting good MBA colleges. They tried very hard. Then somehow I came to know about Direct Admission Group through one of my faculty members. I spoke to Mrs. Rekha Tiwari, who is the person who is the vice president of the company. She was able to help them in getting the best of MBA colleges. One boy got into SVN Global. The girl who was interested in finance, she got into IFM Bangalore. Another boy got into IMI, the best of colleges. See, if you have to categorize the IMs, first category is IIM Ahmedabad, Lucknow, Calcutta, Bangalore. Okay, they'll get 10 out of 10 according to me.
Okay.
After that, I'll since I've done my MBA from FMS, I'll give 9.5 out of 10 to FMS. My environment, I won't give 10 by 10. Though it's a great college, you know that. You are in the SCA, reputation of FMS. After that, will come these. They'll come. I am will come in Himachal. I am Indore, and I am Kozhikode, and all those IIMs. Plus these SPGN Global, IMI, IFM, these are the type of colleges that are very good brands in terms of placement packages also. So that's my advice to you. Pick up the best brand. Don't compromise. Don't go a third-rate college. This is my advice to you because this branding will be with you for life. Somebody said, Ravi, Mr. Bharati, आपने कहाँ से MBA किया? So, sir, मैं मेरठ में रहता था. मैंने चौधरी चरण सिंह यूनिवर्सिटी मेरठ से MBA किया. They said, Ravi, there's something wrong with you. You are a BTech experience and doing MBA from Chaudhary Charan Singh University, Merit. You know that, no? You know the reputation. People just pass like that. They don't have to come for the classes also.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
How they pass, how they cheat, I know everything. I knew some professor had come to our college for some job. He said, and I asked him, I said, वो मेरिट में कैसा होता है? He says, वहाँ तो कोई आता भी नहीं है. हमें मार्क्स देने पड़ते हैं. नहीं देंगे तो हमारी पिटाई हो जाएगी. ये हाल है वहाँ पे. So without further ado, and actually I never gave that professor. That professor not worth even assistant professor in my college. That was the standard of teaching that is there. So without further ado, I request Mr. Rekha Tiwari to please coming in and counsel you. And Ravi, take it from us. You'll get the best counseling from Rekha ji. She knows the system inside out, and she's been there in the group for the last 7-8 years now. And the company is about 12 years old. So just take out a notebook and a pencil also. Just write down the specific notes that will be required. And I'll be listening throughout this session. Yes, and all the best, Ravi. Mr. Rekha Tiwari, please come in. And very good morning to you. I'll be here throughout. Ravi, don't worry.
Okay, sir. Sure.
Very good afternoon, Manchanda ji. Once again, it's still morning, I believe. It's
yeah, still very much.
Yeah. Still morning, long sessions, late evening hours. So no morning, no afternoon, no evening, Manchanda ji. We just focus on youngsters. So Ravi, good morning to you, bache.
Yeah, good morning, ma'am.
So Ravi, what is important? See, yes, options will be available, but before we discuss out, you need to understand that you're talking to very senior panel, with more than 30 years of experience in education industry. So whether me, Manchanda ji, or some other people in the management, So try to be more lively, more interactive, and more focused towards what best we can give you. So in this
Yeah, yeah,
scenario,
sure.
Ravi, it's important we understand your profile before giving you some great options and understand your aspirations as well. So the very first
Okay.
component is, Ravi, your academic credentials. Please mention when you're sharing your academic credentials, kindly share your year of passing, board,
Yeah, yeah.
and name of school along with the state from where you have passed out.
Okay, ma'am.
Whether it is your 10th,
So,
your 12th, your BTech, kindly share accordingly, okay?
yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay.
Second is,
So,
second is your extracurricular activities. So it can be your music, your dance, your debate, your project, your sports, or you're working with some social organizations, anything, any project, any research. So this is something
okay.
important Ravi, because if we think of admission process for your masters, whether it is regular or executive, you have to see what opportunities I'm going to get. Okay, so your profile needs to be exclusively all the certifications. So please share any good moments in your school or college life. Number three, your family and your siblings. So do share about your parents and your brothers and sisters. And last but not the least, it's important, Ravi, your aspirations. So as Manchandaji quoted, a BTech engineer getting 5 lakhs composition not justified for us. You got the point?
Okay.
When
Yes,
we
yes,
see
yes.
BTech students, we send them abroad. It's see not only abroad, it's India abroad, both the locations. I've seen so many candidates getting $130,000 in a year as a package. So Ravi, you need to analyze what is lacking. 5 lakhs and hundred thirty
Yes, ma'am.
thousand dollars. It takes years and years to make that amount in India, right? So why not to have wider spectrum, explore the world, and go for best placements when finance plays such an important role in your life? Not your life, everybody's life, I'll say, right? So Ravi, please share with us, and Avni, kindly make note of this.
Okay, ma'am. So, shall I start?
Yeah, please, Ravi.
Yeah, okay. So, I completed my 10th in 2008 from ICSE board, and my overall percentage was 84.4. Yeah, am I audible only?
Yes, Ravi, it's clear. We are noting down.
Hello.
Please carry on.
Yeah, okay, okay, okay. So, and 12th in 2010, my overall percentage was 78, and board was ISC. And then I did my BTech from BPIT College, which is affiliated to Guru Gobind Singh Indraprasth University, New Delhi, and overall percentage was 78, and it was from 2011 to 2015. And then I joined TCS, and since there I am working in TCS only. Earlier I was in Calcutta, and now I am in Gurgaon. And future aspirations is I would like to do MBA from a good college, which can help me in future in increment of package also, as well as my skills.
So, Ravi, your scores are pretty good, I'll say. And which college, IP University, you said for BTech?
Yeah, it was BPIT, man. Bhagwan Parshuram Institute of Technology.
Bhagwan Parishuram. Okay,
Yeah,
perfectly
yeah.
okay. And 78 in BTech. And specialization was
Yeah, it was ECE, man. Electronics and Communication Engineering.
electronics and communications. Perfectly okay. So, I can see, Ravi, there is a break, gap year of
1 year after 12.
1 year after your 12th, right?
Yeah, 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 yeah.
How do you justify that?
Ma'am, actually, I prepared for entrance exams like IIT, AIEEE
JEE.
because, yeah, yeah, JEE means.
Okay, so where exactly you went
And,
for coaching?
ma'am, I took coaching from Narayana House, New Delhi.
Okay, Narayana Kalusaray, right?
Yes, 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 yes.
So perfectly okay. It's a great coincidence. Ravi, you're calling from where? Which part of country right now?
Uh,
आप कहाँ से बात कर रहे
who,
हैं?
ma'am?
अभी आप कहाँ से
Ma'am, I'm
बात?
from Meerut. I'm
Meerut.
from Meerut, Uttar
Perfectly okay.
Pradesh. Yeah, yeah.
And then okay, when you were for a coaching program, where exactly you were staying?
I was staying in Kalusarai only, ma'am.
Kalusaray.
New Delhi.
Perfectly okay. So then you are aware of us. I believe we are very much in the same complex of Narayana. Same complex.
Okay.
Okay. So
Okay,
many
okay, okay,
students
okay.
from, yeah. We are very much there itself. So it's easier for us to communicate now. Because see, if a candidate is from Delhi NCR, they know horse cars, they know South Delhi, right?
Yeah, yeah,
If a
Delhi is
candidate
familiar.
is from other part of country, it's difficult for them to correlate. So we do have many offices pan India and abroad, but head office is in Delhi, and we are calling from Delhi. That is South Delhi itself. But yes, due to lockdown, it is closed, and everybody is operating from their own
Yeah,
residence.
yeah, yeah. Sure.
So now it's good to understand you have spent I think 1 year in Narayana, right?
Yes, ma'am, 1 year. From
Perfectly.
2010 to 2011.
Perfectly okay. And I do remember even your directors were one of the faculty members of the chairman of the group also. So we have great, I'll say, respect for your faculty members, senior management, because we know them. We come across every day. It's a daily affair, same complex. So now what is important, Ravi? Great connectivity, very small world, I'll say.
Yes,
Uh,
yes, ma'am, sure.
Right. So, Ravi, now 1 year gap is because of your preparation, and when you completed your BTech in 2015, you got placement through campus drive or off campus it was.
No, no, ma'am, it was off campus. Actually, at that time, I was preparing for something else, so I could not make it out. Then I joined TCS. Means I did not appear for on-campus placements.
Okay, perfect. It was off campus TCS, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes, ma'am.
And when exactly you joined TCS? Like 2015, you concluded your BTech program. So
Yeah,
your
yeah, yeah.
TCS
Yes, ma'am.
started from 2015 itself?
No, no, into 2016.
Okay, there again there was one